Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your business with Square, complete guide step by step clearly. To protect your business with Square, first, sign up for a Square account. Visit the Square website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your basic information, including your email, password, and business name. Verify your email address to activate your account. Next, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features. Set up your business profile by adding your logo, address, and contact information. Connect a bank account to ensure seamless funds transfer. Now, consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Go to Account Settings and select Security Options. Follow the prompts to link your phone or authentication app. Next, set up payment processing options. Choose from various payment methods such as credit cards, mobile wallets, and online payments. Ensure that the payment methods align with your customer preferences. Now, enable transaction notifications to monitor sales in real time. Set thresholds for transaction alerts to catch any suspicious activity. Consider using Square's fraud protection features. Look into Square's chargeback protection to safeguard against potential losses. Review Square's reporting tools to track sales trends and spot anomalies. Implement regular backups of your transaction data. Export your sales reports periodically to maintain records. Consider setting up a POS system to streamline transactions and manage inventory. Utilize Square's inventory management tools to monitor stock levels. Next, ensure compliance with local regulations. Consult with a legal professional to verify that you meet all requirements. Regularly update your business practices as laws and regulations evolve. Educate your staff on security practices and fraud prevention measures. Provide training on recognizing phishing attempts and handling sensitive information. Finally, regularly review and update your Square account security settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.